Welcome everyone to Nature's Healing Kitchen. Today we are preparing a delicious and nutritious breakfast from a special recipe. It is very satisfying. So grab your apron, roll up your sleeve, and let's get started. First up, oranges. We need 2 medium-sized oranges. Wash them thoroughly and we chop them into small chunks. We also need 4 eggs, a cup of oats, salt, and black pepper for seasoning. Let's talk about what makes this ingredient so great. Let's start with oranges. Not just the juicy part, but the peels as well. Orange peels are packed with fibers and vitamins, and they contain more fiber than the fruit inside. They are rich in polyphenols that help prevent and manage many chronic conditions such as type 2 diabetes, obesity, and Alzheimer's disease. The peels contains more vitamin C. Study says 5 times more vitamin C than the juicy part, which we usually consume. As you know, orange peels are very tough, so ensure to blend them for a bit longer for a smooth consistency. My advice here is not to add water at all to the orange when you are blending it. I made that mistake. Please don't repeat that mistake because it will take so long for you to dry them when you are cooking it. The juice contained in the oranges is enough water to blend them with. When you are done blending, you turn them into your mixing bowl to mix other ingredients. Look at the color, so good. Next, we add the eggs. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition. They are a great source of high-quality protein and contain all the essential amino acids your body needs. They keep you feeling full for longer, which can help manage weight by curbing those midday cravings. Now is the fun part. Get your whisk and let's mix the ingredients together, the orange and the egg. Continue to whisk, whisk, and whisk until they are fully combined. And let us not forget about oats, which is our third ingredient. Oat is very common. In every pantry you can find oats. Oat is heart healthy and help us with its high fiber content to regulate cholesterol. It can also help stabilize blood sugar levels and provide long-lasting energy. Next step is the cooking part. So rub olive oil on your pan and pour the dough into the pan. With this ingredient that we have mixed together, we have created a dish that is not only flavorful but also full of health benefits. Whether you are looking to start your day off right or need a fulfilling meal anytime, this recipe promises to keep you satisfied and your cravings at bay. Now you keep turning it until it is well cooked. This dish can serve 3 adults. See how fluffy it looks? We're almost getting there. It's ready now for eating. We have done all the hard work, so it's time to sit down and enjoy our food. Try to make this recipe at home and share with us how you get on with it. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.